boses ang darato. Happy 50th anniversary to Columban College, Olongapo City. Woo! Woo! Happy 50th anniversary Columban College, Olongapo City. Salutak sa inyo.
Columban College, happy 50th anniversary sa inyong lahat dyan sa Olongapo City. Sana makadalo kayo dito sa amin very, very soon. Okay? Bye-bye. Ingat kayo dyan.
College, Olongapo City. Happy 50th anniversary sa inyo. Sana tumagal pa kayo at more powers and God bless. At nga pala, special greetings nga pala kay Dean Alvarez and Engineering Faculty.
Sa Columban College ng Olongapo City, alam na alam ko kung saan yan. Happy 50th anniversary sa inyo. Congrats! Umabot po kayo ng 50 years at sana marami pong years to come mula po sa November 21 hanggang November 26. God bless. Happy anniversary.
Columban College, happy 50th anniversary nga pala sa inyo. More power and God bless.
Happy 50th anniversary Columban College. More power and God bless.
Columban College of Olongapo City. Wow, happy 50th anniversary. Wishing you all the best during your week-long celebration, and may God bless your school and all your graduates even more. Happy 50th anniversary.
Happy 50th anniversary Columban College. More powers and God bless.
Happy 50th anniversary Columban College, Olongapo City. Ayan, anniversary nyo na. Congratulations dahil narating nyo ang inyong 50th anniversary. More power po at more anniversaries to come.
Hello! Happy 50th anniversary Columban College, Olongapo City sa November 21 to November 26. Happy 50th anniversary. God bless and congratulations. Yun, happy PAA. Bye-bye!
Columban College, hello! Happy 50th founding anniversary nga pala sa inyo. Kinabahan ako sa inyo ha. More powers and God bless. Yeah, you're wrong.
Happy 50th anniversary Columban College, Olongapo City. Congratulations, guys.
Oh, Columban College, I just want to greet you a happy 50th anniversary and for your celebrating your 50th anniversary and also for the t-shirt sponsored by Engineering Department. Thank you. More power and God.
Happy 50th anniversary Columban School of Olongapo City. November 21 to November 26. Wish you all the best. God bless you guys.
I just want to say happy 50th anniversary to Columban College in Olongapo City. Guys, God bless.
Hey bro. Happy, Columban College. Yeah, happy 50th anniversary to Columban College. More power, God bless. Especially Engineering Department.